Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to review this Land Rover 2022 Defender with a fully heritage kit from the inside and the outside. As you can see, this car is beautiful. Look at the rims, look at the details, guys. And of course you get a extra wheel on the back. So let me walk you guys through. So you get like these details over here on the rims, as you can see. English company, as you can see, and yeah, I don't have words for this car, guys. This car is like phenomenal, insane. I would take this over a G-Wagon any day, by the way. Looks so good. So let me walk you guys through the inside. So as you can see, the interior is also made out of fully suede and fully leather seats with diamond stitching. So the interior and also the exterior is fully customized. So this car looks so insane. So today we will take you guys for a drive to see what this tank drives like. It has got a 2-liter motor with 4 cylinders that makes roughly 301 horsepower. So it's quite fast for like this big car. So yeah, let's go for a drive. Okay, so let's start the car. Let's put it in drive. Alright, so today we are in the Netherlands, as always. And it's my first time driving a car this big. Literally looks like a tank. Oh, it feels so good driving this car, guys. Feels like you're floating on the road, literally. Noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds beautiful. Literally, like, it feels like I'm driving a truck, guys. It's insane. So this car is also fully custom made. I don't know if it's a one of one, but it looks insane. The inside has got suede. I think suede, I heard it's better than Alcantara. It's better quality. And the seats are made out of leather with deep diamond stitching. So they also are really comfortable. And the outside is also fully customized, as you guys saw. So it feels like you're driving a one-of-one car. And the eyes on this car is insane, guys. When you drive like in the city, everyone looks at you. It's crazy. So that's really nice. This car is quite fast. I didn't expect it to be that fast. Okay. All right, let's go make a left here. So yeah, guys, look at the details, guys. Fully suede, nice stitching. The wheel on the back is also like insane. This car would be so crazy to go off-roading with. I don't know, if I would own this car, I wouldn't go off-roading with this car because it has got I heard it's 40,000 euro kit on the car, so I wouldn't off-road with this car, but it would have been crazy. Let's pass these guys slow as. brakes are also really good. Look how high I am, guys, compared to other vehicles. I've once sat in a G-Wagon and it doesn't come even close to how high this car feels. It literally feels like I'm driving a truck. Like even the side mirrors, they're so big. And the steering wheel is also quite big. This will be my dream car, guys. Like for an SUV, if I had to pick an SUV and like for a daily use, I think this would be a perfect car to use, actually. So let's make a right here. I think we are going on the highway. Yeah, I'll show you guys how much power this car really has. All right, let's go. All right, let's go full throttle, guys. Let's go. Holy shit. Okay, this car is really fast, guys. This car is insanely fast. Okay, bro, I didn't expect it to be this fast. And the sound, guys. Like, although it's a 4-cylinder with a 2-liter motor, the noise is insane. I don't know if it has a custom exhaust, but it sounds like it, so literally feels like I'm the king of the road everywhere I'm driving. Let's pass this, guys. Holy shit. Okay, look at that sound, guys. I hope you guys can hear it on the video, but it sounds crazy. Literally the king of the road. Look at it. I'm driving a tank, one of one tank. Oh my god, this feeling is insane. I don't know how to describe this feeling. You guys need to experience this by yourselves. It feels like I'm floating on the road, but also I'm the king of the road, and I'm like in a tank. I don't know how to describe it. And we're going really fast. All right, guys. Today we're just going to pass everyone, guys. We're the king of the road. We're going to pass every car, guys. All right, we need to take an exit around here, so let's get behind this Tesla. Look at I think this car is supercharged because I hear something and it sounds really good, but I'm not sure. Let's go off the highway. We've let everybody know we're the king of this road, so yeah, that's enough for today. Alright, we'll make a right over here. Alright, should I go full throttle over here? Holy shit. This car sounds insane, guys. I'm telling you. Let's make a right over here. Oh my god. Guys, this is insane. Oh my god. This is the first time, by the way, I'm driving a crazy car like this. I've never experienced anything close that comes to this, so I don't know how to describe the feeling. Take a right over here. Yeah, you can only understand it if you experience it yourself, guys. Really. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. Alright, I think we're making a left over here. Oh, we'll make a right. Guys, get out the way. They don't know who the king of the road is. Oh my God. All right, here we'll make a left. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. Guys, I have no words for this car. Like, this is the craziest car I've ever driven. It feels like a monster, it feels like a tank. It feels like I'm floating like on the clouds, like driving on the clouds. It's insane, guys. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment what I can do better next time. And I also want to ask something from you guys. If you live in the Netherlands and you have a nice car, please hit me up, because I want to do as many collabs as possible and I want to drive as many cars as possible, because I want to do this for a living and I don't have many connections right now and many people, like, I don't have many access to multiple cars, so I would appreciate it so much. So yeah, like, I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace out.